Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my bedroom. So, I went to Walmart and I actually took the time to look around in the women's section because I need some cute fall clothing, okay? So, Mama went shopping. I found some cute clothes, some handbags, some shoes, and I was like, "You know what? Let me show my friends what I got." So, if you love affordable fall clothing that's cute, budget friendly, and you can find it either in stores or online. This video is for you, and yeah, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into it. As I was saying, I don't know why I've been sleeping on Walmart clothing for so long, but she's woke and she's here. So let me show you everything that I got. Some of these things I did try, some of the other things I didn't. So if they don't work out for me, I can either take them back or I don't know, we'll donate them or just keep them for the meantime. So I found these jeans. Now these are barrel jeans, which I never understood that trend, but they were $3. Literally, that's the reason why I got them. $3. These are from the brand No Boundaries, and I got these in a size 2. I just realized that a lot of their things tend to run pretty big. I love the wash of these. They're so pretty. They go with so many things because they are that like light, almost like acidic wash. You guys see that? And then it has the cuff at the end. It has like this almost like split hem on the sides. I got this so I can pair it with these shoes. These are shoes I typically would not pick up, but my closet is full of sneakers and as much as I love sneakers, I need different style of shoes. These are by the brand Time and True, and I think these were like maybe 24 and 25 bucks. I got these in a size 7. Are these not so cute? They kind of look like house slippers, but they're not. They're shoes. And I love the silver detailing on them against the like neutral tones. I love silver and warm tones together. They just look really, really well. So these I thought will pair really nicely with the jeans. Do you guys see the vision? Yes. Okay. And then I got this super cute top from the brand No Boundaries. They have, again, so many cute things. I got this one in a size medium because I feel like if I wash this, it's going to shrink. But how cute is this? It is a button up sleeved shirt. It has this really nice detail all across the cardigan. It is so cute. You can either wear this on its own, maybe unbutton a little bit, or you can wear it with like a tank top on the bottom. It really depends on how you want to style it. The jeans and the shirt are going to look so cute together. And then you add the shoes. Yes, I was looking at the shoes and I saw these Madden NYC shoes. These are a little different again from what I typically would get, but they were only $23. As you can see, they were on clearance. You do have to check your local Walmart because I ended up going to a different Walmart and they totally didn't have them on sale. So it really depends on like every single Walmart. They're all different. Of you. But I cannot pass these up. Look at how pretty. Are these not the perfect fall shoe? Anything that is animal print is in style right now. I love the color on the inside. Red maroon is the perfect fall color. I had to pick these up and I do not regret it because for $23, you cannot say these are not cute. Okay. I did find some really cheap bras. These are the No Boundaries t-shirt bras. Look at how comfortable these look. I knew I needed them, one, because they were only $5, and two, I need new bras. These are so similar to the Skims t-shirt bras. If you've tried any of them, you know what the quality is. I only have one, and it's literally so raggedy at this point, but this material feels so nice. I love the wire underneath, so it still gives you a little bit of support if you're a little, over the age of 35. I'm right there. So I got this one in this coffee color, and then I also got it in the gray color. These are the two colors at my local Walmart that were on sale. So I'm excited, and I hope these work out for me because for $5, I couldn't say no. This sweater was screaming my name. This is probably the only red sweater in my closet. Everything else is so neutral, which I am so sick of always having neutrals in my wardrobe. So I made a change and I got a red one. Look at how cute this is. This is again by the same brand, No Boundaries. I got this in a small 4-6 just because I wanted it to fit a little tighter. I love the wide band here, and it's so cute on you because it like cinches your waist, so it's really like it just gives you a nice form. And red is like the perfect uh color for fall if you ask me. And again, with these shoes, I feel like these are gonna go so cute together. Look at that. I am so excited to wear these, and if the barrel jeans work out for me, I can totally just throw the barrel jeans on, these sneakers, sweater, and I'm good to go. These jeans are the epitome of fall, okay? These are so cute. Again, by the brand No Boundaries. I didn't try these on, so I hope they fit. I got them in a size 2. They did look like they ran a little bit big. But I don't know. I haven't bought No Boundaries in so long that I don't know exactly what size I am. So I want to say these are gonna fit. I'm either a size 2 or a 4, something like that. But these are a faux leather brown pant that has a wide bell bottom. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I was looking for. It is a boot cut style, and it has cute little like pockets on the back, which I love. I feel like this always makes my booty look a little cuter. I love this coffee brown color. It is so pretty. I did have to go to another Walmart for these because my local Walmart was completely sold out. So yeah, just FYI, in case you guys are wanting some, I will link everything in the description box, but these are so cute. Look at these. And again, these even go with this shoe. So many things are going to go with the sneakers that I got. These cute little striped shirts with the V collar, and then, or the V neck and the collared. These are so cute. They have them in this olive green and I think like maroon. I got the olive green because I was like, how cute would this be to get together? Is this not the cutest fall outfit? So I figured I would put the jeans and the shirt together. When I saw these sandals, I knew I needed them because I own the original ones. These are a total dupe for the Crocs. So these are my sandals. These are Crocs, as you can see. It has the logo on them. These were a little bit pricey, but I fell in love. Let me just say that these are not wide foot friendly. So I love these, but I tend not to wear them that often because they can hurt my feet because they're not wide enough. But look at these. Tell me these are not like so similar. The only difference is that this is more rounded, this is more squared. But other than that, like so cute. I love the like cushiony sole on these, and these are green. Again, perfect for the fall. I still wear sandals during the fall because it is still hot here in Texas. And these are gonna go so cute with this whole outfit. Look at that. So excited. Then I went into the purse section, which is it was such a mistake because they have so many cute purses, and I found this olive green suede bag by the brand Time and True. I think this was maybe 17 or 20, super affordable. Look at how beautiful this bag is with the gold detailing on it. And then the very last thing that I got was this, what is this called? This is just a plaid shirt. They have two colors. This is the dark navy, and then they have like a cream ivory color, but they were sold out in my size. And even this one, I got it in a size medium 8-10, which I do like them to be oversized for that just a cute, cozy look. But I should have gotten a small, but it's okay. This is so pretty, and the colors in this is beautiful. It has like this like chocolate brown with like the off-white cream. Super, super cute, and it feels really nice. I really like the material on it. Then I got this No Boundaries little tank. I got this in a size small because again, these do run a little bit big. These are so inexpensive. They're like $2, and I feel like this together is gonna look so pretty. They have a chocolate brown one, but I really liked it with this cream color little shirt. And I found the cutest shorts, which I didn't try on, and I hope they fit. I feel like they will fit me. These are, again, from the brand No Boundaries. These are in a size 4, and they were on clearance for $4. Look at how pretty this wash is and the style of them. Again, I felt like this together, like this is gonna look so cute because this is long, so it's going to cover up the booty, and then you can just wear it with sneakers or whatever. For example, these sneakers are also from the No Boundaries line at Walmart, and they're giving high end. If you know, you know which ones these are very similar to, like super, super cute. Or if you want something more cozy, you can wear them with some clogs. These are from Amazon, but No Boundaries also has some clogs, which I am super tempted to get the dark brown ones. They just didn't have them in my size. But I think the brand, what is it, the Madden Girl, has some clogs like this, and they're just like the perfect shoe for the fall. Whew, that was a lot. But I haven't bought myself clothes in quite some time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If this video does well, I will continue to do Walmart hauls as long as you guys like them. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It just tells YouTube, hey, I like this video, pushes it out in the algorithm, and it just helps me out. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.